A slender prayer of evergreen. I have stood where grief forgets to speak, my shadow stretching over names carved in stone. I am the cypress tree. The wind knows me, solemn, faithful, a keeper of the silence between heartbeats. I do not bloom, I do not fade. My green endures when color flees. A foe made not in joy, but in witness, to remember what must not be forgotten. Mourners pass beneath my arms like pilgrims of the vanished, their tears watering my roots until I carry their sorrow deeper than they know. Yet I am not despair. I am the steadfast breath that bridges life and the long horizon beyond. People call me a slender prayer of evergreen, pointing toward eternity.